Hi guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you create group email in Outlook. So log into your Outlook. So once you've already logged into your Outlook, click on the people icon here. This you'll see two people there. That click on that icon on your left panel. Click on that. So once you click on that, here you'll see a groups option here. So under groups option, if you want to create a group, go to the owner section. So at the moment I don't have any groups here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a group. All right, so let me create the group now. So click on the create a new group option here. So click on here and then just name a group. So whatever name, just give it. And then if you want to add just descriptions, you can say that. And then now just click on create. So it's now creating the group. All right, so that's it. So once you have created the group, so what you can do now here, you can go to members, and then you can, at the moment I don't have any members, so what you can do, you can click on the add option here, and then you can add members from either from your Outlook contacts or any other contacts, up to you. So just so you can just add them to your group, and then that's it, your group has been created, and then you're all good to send an email to this group if you want to. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.